Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So first of all, target is question of the normal. So we'll differentiate what is the root value half. Half comes down and power becomes negative half. Base copy times to base derivative. And 3x derivative is 3 and 4 is 0. You can see very clear. And minus 1. This minus 1 come from here. So this part is okay. Now I'll simplify 2 cancel out. And this negative half whole goes down. So I get in simple form 3 over square root of 3x plus 4 minus 1. So add x is equals to 4. From where I got it? Because given a point. So gradient of tangent tends to be when I plug in 4 inside. So answer is becomes gradient of tangent is becomes negative 1 over 4. So gradient of normal turned to be positive 4. So I hope so. This point is very clear. So okay. So this point is clear. Now onwards. So this is done. Now I'm going for equation of the normal. Finalize it here. Y minus y1 is equal to m times 2x minus x1. And y1 is this 4, x1 is other 4, and gradient is this one. So y minus 4 equal to 4x and minus 4 for 16. So y is equal to 4x and minus 12. I think the point is very clear. Out of 16, 4 gone. This is our equation of the normal. And let's go for the equation of stationary coordinates. So now I'm going for stationary coordinate. For that reason, what to do? We'll put derivative equal to 0. So this whole equal to 0. So 3 over 3x plus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. 1 goes on other side. Cross multiply. Now I have to remove the roots, so squaring both sides. And 4 comes this side. We got a 5. And x value turned to be 5 over 3. But because x is not only target, so after this, we'll go for y coordinate. So this value plug in our actual question. So y equals to 2 root of 3 times 2, 5 over 3 plus 4 and minus 5 over 3. So let's see what answer turned to be. This is this 3 cancel out. 5 plus 4 9. 9 root is 3. And 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 over 3. It becomes 13 over 3. So coordinates of the stationary points is 5 over 3 and 13 over 3. So this point is very clear. So now we need to find nature. Okay. And what is technique? For whenever we find nature, we have to put second derivative 0. And first derivative which we have already is this. From the previous page, 3 over root of 3x plus 4 and plus minus 1. This is first derivative. So how to find a second derivative and how to find nature? First of all, I find second derivative. I will bring it up and I got negative half minus 1. Second differentiation d2y over dx2. So power comes down, this negative half into 3. So negative 3 over 2. And power 1 less becomes negative 3 over 2. Again, some student missed the base differentiation. 3 and 4 becomes 0. And this one derivative naturally is 0. So I simplify negative 9 over 2 and 3x plus 4 to power positive 3 over 2. So how got negative 9? This 3 into 3, I got negative 9. Now what stationary point I got it? I got x value 3 by 5, x value 5 by 3. because x value is 5 by 3, I'm saying here at x is 5 by 3. From where I got x 5 by 3, the previous part number b. So I'm going to find nature. And all of you familiar, I will plug in the x value there. 3 times 2, 5 over 3, and plus 4 whole power 3 over 2. So its answer, naturally this 3 cancel. The whole answer, the denominator is coming positive, and positive into negative give you negative. So it means negative answer coming. So point of maxima. So this is done. Now I'm going for the next part, and this part is a area bounded by the x-axis and the limit 0 over 4. It means the curve, whatever we suppose is a curve, this is a 0 and this is a 4. So in the middle of this area, we have to find it. Lower limit 0, upper limit 4 curve, and we know we have given curve equation. So curve equation, we have it. And what is the formula? Basic formula. Basic formula to finding area about x-axis is x1, then x2, then y, then dx. I will plug in all values. Lower limit 0, upper limit 4, and y equation we have 2 root of 3x plus 4 minus x and dx. I'm going to find a for area. And what is basic way? Increase a power by 1 is already half. Half plus 1, you got a 3 by 2. 3 by 2 down. And 1 missing here. What? The base derivative here multiply. So here divide. So this base derivative 3 will come here. Because 4 derivative 0 and 3x is 3. That 3 come here. And what is integration of x? Increase the power of x divided by 2. Same. Now what I can do it, this to flip, because how to deal with these 4 numbers? Actually, it is a 4 in the numerator, down 3 to the 9 by 2. So it always flips. So 8 by 9 it turns to be. So area is becomes 9, 3 to the 9, and 4 by 9. Sorry, not 8, 2, 4. This is a 2 actually. It's not 4. Sorry, it is a 2. So it means this. How I got this 2 comes from here, and 3 3 9 by 2 come from here. So 2 to the 4. So it becomes 4 by 9. Okay, now I'm in the position to put the values. When I put upper limit, what happens? Let's see. Put 4 in this place. Okay, I do a little short. 4 to the 12. 12 4 is 16. So 16 to power 3 by 2. Then I put 4 here. 4 to power 16. 16 by 2. Upper limit done. Minus. Now lower limit. Put 0 here. So it's gone. It's totally gone. So 4 left. So 4 over 9 times 2, 4 over power 3 over 2. Now when I put 0 here, it totally finish. Now I'll just solve and plug in 1 by 1. 4 divided, because he's asking exact answer. That is why 16 to power 3 over 2 becomes 64. So this is 64. And 64 into 4 divided by 9, we get 256 by 9. Minus 16 by 2. This is done upper part. And here I got, what is 4 to power 3 by 2? It is definitely 8. So 8 for the 32 by 9. And we are close to our final answer. So if I check it, 256 divided by 9, 256 divided by 9, minus 8, and minus 32 divided by 9. So answer turned to be 152 by 9. Unit square, because it give us always area, and that whole question is completely over.